Hello, this is Joey Maui from Hammer Montana, which is on HavenHolidayVillage.com. And today is Thursday, July 2nd, 2020. And let me to take a look at how the Hewlett-Packard Internet solution on here. Well, let's get started over here. What we see, I have to see here that obviously you have to see that when you look at your Pavilion browser. That was just that way. Is you need to be connected to the full service internet service browser in order to visit these websites. How to see that way? Because I was supposed to do how to do it because certain 3000 have to install Windows. Let me go do about Chameleon. This is version 1.54. Hundreds of users always says see. Option already which is on hard drives, such as it always says make a responsible person, just DENF. Used to be extended, not to use information, which is number 1. As this now is says have to see it, and using it on all these old browsers, I've used it just created available on the web right here. Now there is about knowledge adventure, which is other information absolutely free. This person always says I have to say I got the view characters. I'm about to see it that way. Let's have a look at that out here. And there's Frankie the dog, and this address is used from Jumpstart series. And this always says I have to see it because for these features you need to do the computer. Let's get started right here. What we need you have to install Windows 98 or Windows 95. So there's a menu screen on here. I'll take step by step how to do it, but it's okay for now. I do not have to see it. There we go. I just said I had to do something because USB always doesn't have to see it that way. If you get something much easier, much smarter. So welcome to Jumpstart Phonics and that way. There's a backpack on Frankie's back right here. Now this is obviously you have to go for adventure. So there's a toolbar. A progress report. The adventure begins. And there's the headquarters right here. There's a storybook, cave, explore activities. There's a nut inside in the cave right here. Sheesh. Ooh, I have to go for bee hunting for the vowel bees. Yes. I just know it's because I just don't have to see that Jumpstart Phonics. I just always doesn't have to see that way because I just have to run the path that way. And there's a total poem right here. Geisha the koala, and he's trying to help your squirrels to catch all those nuts. So there are lots of activities on here. There's a river raft right here. And you're watching all the turtles. So you can capture all these turtles right across to the lake. There's a shipwreck right here. So to get us to I just think you have to go in for the deep, and you just have to scroll down. Me usually reward songs, but yeah, and original always have to see that way because having always just has to be performance there. I used to always just be on your own. I can always just see it that way about the user license agreement, which is I can always just that way. I can make ideas. There are all these songs on the page right here. Yeah. That's a weird thing on here. Oh, it's time for the credits on here. Oh, let me go back to this video. I'm gonna have to do it right now. So, hold on. I'll do that for you. Here we go. There we go. The credits are complete. I can always just see that way. It uses Smacker video technology on it because I'm supposed to have to see it that way. Copyright 1999 by Knowledge Adventure. All rights reserved. I guess I have to see it that way. And I'm gonna have to see it that way. I'm just gonna have to do it right now because it says there's no problems. I'm just supposed to have to do it right now because who wants to get defunct by Donald Trump? Oh, this is always just have to do it right now. And let me see. We got our user information. You see, you always just have to perform this there, including applications on here. And also we have Internet Explorer 6. And what you notice is this is called, I'm gonna have to see it that way. And there's your new version on here. Well, I always just have to see it that way. We'll go ahead to do it. There you go ahead. I have to do it. Type about blank. There we go. Let's close out of it and do it right now. And I'm gonna have to see it because Windows 98 that's a usable hard drive, such as it always make happen, such as D, E, and F, and you should be extended and used to run Windows 98 second edition. But using always this and see it that way. Well, I always this. You do it. I mean, yeah, so we're gonna do a Firefox. Takes a little bit longer to go, and I just have to see about that. I just have to do right now. We're gonna do it about Firefox. Copyright 2008. Let's just see about that right now. What we have to do is I just have to do it. I do it all the time. We'll do it about blank again. There we go. Windows 98 gets its easiest way, and usually have to be pointing out the ports on there right here. So I can always just have to see it, and I can always have to see it, and you have to be like the U cables on your own. Let's go on over to the Internet Explorer 8 on Windows XP. This is version 8 for Windows XP. Copyright 2009 Microsoft. That's pretty cool. And it's YouTube Poop celebrates its 10th anniversary, and even more about the secrets is about to reveal. That's got these programs in all kinds of languages. Suggest the dialogue. This is remix and all kinds of search. And I see that way because How does it has to see right now because it has no time hearing. And it also has to include number one quality. If you only have to tune with something about the monitors. It looks like a new features you need the computer. Use SpongeBob SquarePants. That's the Nickelodeon's new show. You might have to see it on your computer. And I'm obviously doing it right now. So, okay, that's about it for this video. Hope you have to do it wait. So, this is Dewey Maui signing off on Thursday, July 2nd, 2020. Goodbye.